Feeling like herding cats while managing your remote team? Well, not anymore. Today, we're diving into how Clockify can transform your remote team management from chaotic to crystal clear in just a minute and a half. First up, time tracking. Encourage your team to meticulously track their work hours. This isn't about micromanaging. It's about understanding where time is spent, allowing you to optimize workflows and project timelines. You can create different projects and tasks, ensure each team member selects the relevant project when they start working. Next, leverage Clockify's project dashboards. These provide a bird's-eye view of project progress, monitor completed tasks, identify bottlenecks, and ensure everyone is staying on schedule. This allows you to make informed decisions and proactively address any challenges. Accountability is key in remote work. Use Clockify's detailed reports to gain insights into individual and team performance, identify top performers, recognize areas for improvement, and foster a culture of responsibility. Assign clear roles and permissions within Clockify. This ensures that everyone has the appropriate level of access and responsibility. This not only streamlines workflows but also safeguards sensitive information. Boost collaboration by integrating Clockify with your team's existing tools, like Google Calendar or Slack. This creates a centralized hub for time tracking, project management, and communication, keeping everyone aligned and informed. So ditch the digital chaos and embrace the power of Clockify. By implementing these simple steps, you'll transform your remote team into a well-oiled, highly productive machine. Subscribe for more tips on maximizing remote team efficiency, and let us know in the comments how you are managing your team with Clockify.